Yeah guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know, so your boy Dex Media, and today I'm doing the unboxing of a battery charger. And as you can see, it is EBL brand, and it's a USB charger, smart and secure, and it works with AAA battery AAA, and it works with AA battery also. So this is actually the AA window. I actually purchased it from Amazon, and it cost me roughly 6,000 Jamaican. So it's very valuable, people, because actually if you're a photographer, this is very good. So you can just recharge your batteries. Alright, so basically as you can see what it has indoor use only, automatic charge, and it's 5 volts, 2 amp, and it's also intelligence protection cycle, and it's safety stabilization. Alright, so I'm gonna open it right now. I'm gonna see what go on in there. That's it. So basically I'm gonna open it right now and show you what go on inside of it. Alright, let's go. So basically as you can see, alright, so it come with the batteries. See there, this is 4 batteries already. Alright, and basically as you can see, this is the charger. Take it out of the plastic. So basically as you can see, it has USB charger, smart and secure, and as you can see, it work with AA or AAA. But my one work with the it can work with both, as you can see, both AA and AAA. But I actually didn't need the AA, because I use the AA batteries in my flash, my camera flash. And basically it comes with the USB cable. This is the USB cable, regular USB cable, and let's see what else in there. Alright, and it also comes with 4 more batteries, so it comes with 8 batteries. Alright, so basically as you can see, it comes with an indicator, so I guess when it's charging, this will actually light up. So it's a good look, and it's very easy to install. Yeah guys, so basically as you can see, I take out the battery and install it right now. So actually you have to see negative and positive. You see it? Yeah, so this is the negative way, and you just plug it in like this. And remember, it can work with the AAA battery also. Yeah, it can work with it also, it supports it. Alright, so it installs very easy. Realize, say click, very easy guys. See that? Positive this way. Yeah, here make nice. That sure say it install. Alright, so I'm gonna just flip out this one also, show them, and then I'm gonna plug in here. I'm gonna see what I want. That's it. Alright, so basically I just want to put in everything in there one time, because even though it's new battery, sometimes it won't charge same way. Alright, so this is the cable now. So we're gonna put in the cable. Yeah, I'm gonna put in the cable right now. And this is 2 amp cable, 2A. You see it, yeah. And it come in the box. So it's a good look. I really love this Rebel. Yeah man, it's original from the Rebel brand. I ordered it on Amazon. Alright. So you just plug this in right here. And this support something that charge in the same way. The power bank. So if you have a power bank, you can use your power bank and charge it also. It supports it. Alright, so basically, yeah guys, so I'm gonna plug this into the charger outlet right here. Yeah, that's it. Alright, I'm gonna plug it in right now. I'm gonna see what I want. Very easy to plug in. And this is what happens when you plug it in. As you can see, it is actually charging. The batteries are dead, because if the batteries weren't dead, it would be green. So I'm gonna leave it to let it charge. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and if you do enjoy it, please remember to subscribe. Yeah man, thank you.